Yeah, try that line. Yeah. There you go, perfect. Well folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I came out to this area to go to a race, but the race got rained out, even though it's not raining right now. But this is the backup plan. We're going to go for a crawl with the TRX 6x6. This is a custom 6x6 that I did a trade to get. It's a shortened TRX 6x6 hauler. So it has a shorter wheelbase, shorter bed, and a custom hard body. This is an old 1970s Ford. It has functional lights front. All the box lights work. It's hard to see in the daytime, and it has full rock lights. So speaking of rocks, we're going to go on the rocks right now for a crawl. Here's the inside of the TRX-6. So it's got a custom motor mount, this billet motor mount and servo with a Reedy radon 10 turn hooked up to a Dean's connector between speed control and motor instead of the normal bullet connectors. Stock speed control, stock 2S servo. That's all the light controller stuff for all the lights, which you couldn't really see in the daytime. I'm running a Genzace Adventure 3S 4300 milliamp hour battery. Love those. TQI radio system. It's working well. Wheels and tires are upgraded over stock, and the custom hard body, which is a pretty cool look. We're heading to the rocks now. So we're driving along the way. Just gonna stay out of the. We've had a lot of rain this weekend. We're just gonna stay out of the rain until we get there. Out of the water, I mean. But it's a good looking rig. I do want to get those front lights on the cab working. They are wired up. They just don't have a place to plug in right now. I need to get a connector on them. But yeah, this is a cool looking rig. And this is where we're headed. This is where we did the crawl before with the Element SE and the custom axial that I did earlier this year. So we'll see how the hauler works out. I have no idea. I'm hoping we don't break it. I have no tools, no parts, no spares, no nothing with me here for this. I'm gonna try and take it easy, but you know how it goes. So right now the front is unlocked and the rears are locked all the time. So it is possible stock. This does have fully independent 6-way lockings, but the way it's been set up right now, it does not have the rear servo. So it has a functional 2-speed, it has a functional front lock and unlock, but the rears are locked all the time. It's in low gear right now on 3S. Yep. Use that tire. Oh, you did it. It's in a bad position to see it. Yeah, this is the first vehicle I've ever had where I was able to climb up a set of deck stairs because of the extra rear tire. I didn't get it on video, but it's capable. It can do it. Yeah, that does. Also, its turning circle is pretty bad because the rears are pushing you all the time. Like, it's pretty pushy. It kind of overcomes the front axle.
The forward to lock the front?
Yeah, fully forward to fully locked. So yeah, now you're fully locked. Also guys, there's nothing holding on this cab except for a little bit of friction, so I'm curious if it's going to pop off. I did make some foam pads to kind of hold it in a little bit tighter. So good so far, because on the first test when I first got it, when it would articulate, it would pop the cab off. Should have brought a car to haul on it, but then it would make it much harder.
Good recovery vehicle.
I think tonight I'm going to have it be my shuttle to the fridge to get beers. Need some guardrail for beer hauling. If you hop it over, it'll make it. I find its side hill performance is pretty good because you don't have the weight on. There's not that much side weight. We've got even more tire than a normal 4x4.
Really noticed
The servo might be upgraded, but it's still on the stock speed control, so it's just at 6 volts. It has no good power going to it. But it's I forgot to mention it. It does have a Reedy 10-turn crawl motor in it and a upgraded servo, but it's on the stock XL5 high voltage speed control. So it's running it's running a hot motor, all the lights, all that extra, plus all the extra weight. Like I would not be surprised if the speed control smokes. And we're also kind of keeping it in low gear because it's got a 10-turn motor in it instead of the stock 21-turn. So you're in slow speed right now. Just give it a full speed flip on low gear. Okay, now go on to the flat spot and then pick it up in the high gear. I just want to show them how fast it is in gear 2 on the flat ground.
Okay, high gear.
Yep, high gear. High gear 3S, full throttle. Hey, you see that? I drove for 30 seconds. I am a racer. I'm not a crawler. Yeah, try that line. There you go. Perfect. It's amazing how much a slight modification of the line can make a huge difference. It's a pretty good side go. It's really right on the edge.
It looks like right on the edge.
Turn into the hill. Also, these tires are knockoff Hyraxes. They are unknown. They're called China.
Looks like they're working well.
They're not bad. I mean, they're not as soft as the real deal. Keep going.
Yeah, you can try going down this and then over there.
To crawl really well. Yeah, I mean, for stock speed control, actually the crawl control is good. I would say that the stock XL5 high voltage, while not a premium feeling speed control, it has a better, finer control than most of your out-of-box speed controls. That's pretty cool. Now, you tuck up under the bed like that. Check it from over here.
And just the extra length for big hills.
Pretty cool. Big drop off.
You're just hung up on the front. You get your front over this way. Oh, there you go. I actually thought the flat deck would be more than a 202, and it's not.
I'm impressed by its crawl capabilities. It is certainly better modified than stock. I think having that shorter wheelbase helps quite a bit. You're definitely going to get your bumpy tongue up there. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, heck yeah. That is good. Yeah, this thing's working good. Just made it up. Look at this little crossover cavern. It's hard to tell how extreme that is on video, but it did it. Well. Centers. Nice recovery there. Get off that thing. Oh, no. First hand of God. Oh, yes. Oh, you're just gonna launch it. Yep. It did it. I'm happy it worked out. You never know how a used pickup is going to be. Modified TRX-6 working well. Hauler, what is it? The G-Wagon 6 is a shorter wheelbase than the Hauler. I would say this is closer to the G-Wagon than it is the Hauler with the modifications. The Hauler is a tighter wheelbase, but I think it's a little bit more side hill tippy on the Mercedes versus the Hauler. Yeah, it's doing very well. It's raining harder now. We're going to just try and work our way back to the car. See if we can get out of here without a hand of God. We're just going to try and pick a line to see how we can get out of here without getting totally soaked. The rocks are getting a little bit wet. A little treacherous for people, as well as a little bit harder on the tires. But it's gripping nicely. Say that as you get stuck. What a cool rig. I'm happy I picked this up, seeing it work like this. Awesome. We got one dismount and we're out. Through the grass and away we go. Nice. Hey guys, so that was the first run of the TRX-6x6 modified Ford. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you don't want to subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. We'll get it with this thing later on. Some other time. If you want to see me do something with it that's different than this, let me know what you'd like to see this thing do, because I'll probably have it in my fleet for a little bit. Thanks for watching.